So this is our Super Youth Serum, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So you want to start by taking one pump in the palm of your hand, and then you're going to sweep it on to your face and neck. Never forget your neck. And then you're going to use gentle circular motions to work it into your skin. Now this is our amazing all-in-one treatment serum. So it does the job of 3 serums in one bottle. So it contains vitamin C for antioxidant protection to brighten your skin, hyaluronic acid for hydration to plump your skin cells, and then peptides to rejuvenate and minimise the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's super lightweight and non-greasy, so you'll find your skin drinks it up almost instantly. So when you get to this point, just gently push it into your skin to boost absorption. And it always goes under your moisturiser, both morning and night, and it's totally fragrance-free and suitable for all skin types.